Bye. I think we're nearly at the top. Do a before and an after picture. What it looked like earlier versus now. We're on our way up. It's raining a lot. All the way up there, and all the way down there, and all the way across there to there. Also, I got excited about seeing a sheep earlier. There was about 8 million of them. I want to know what this is. It's raining a little bit. I'm hoping it doesn't get any worse. I was up there. I'm so far away from there. Look at them sheep. I'm holding people up. Oh well. The path has come to a slightly sudden halt. I'm literally just following these people. Oh. Let's see so far. Cool. I'm gonna try shield my mic from the wind. You can see so far. Oh my god, it's so windy. Can I go closer? Sheep. Hello. The top of Penny Fan, that's definitely not pronounced like that.
Pennyvan.
It's so windy. Just stood in a cloud. Literally can't see anything. What's down there? No one knows. My phone is about to get blown out my hand. It's just a little bit windy. Hi, I'm Freewald, and in August 2024 I went to Wales. It's now March 2025 and I'm still editing this video, but you know, it's fine if you ignore that. This was a week-long trip, so we had 2 sites that we stayed at. First one was a cabin where it rained quite a lot, but it was really nice. We had our own kitchen, which you can see, that little tent-looking thing. And after we'd set up, we decided to go on a walk around the local area, which was interesting. How scenic. How very, very scenic. Massive nettle just whacked me in the face. It got my hand and it was all red. Just, I can't believe that.
Oh my god.
Just launched herself off a cliff. This is the face of a dog that nearly just died. Heron. So as you can see, my dog has absolutely zero survival instinct. What you will also see is that this is a very dog central episode. Not that I intended it to be, but you know, it is. We only had 1 night in the cabin, so then we had to move on to our campsite, which was very nice. There was a little river, and yeah, we set up and went on a walk through a woods. I've got Mamma Mia stuck in my head. Balance on it. Hold on. Whoa. There's a plant! It's got spikes on it! It's slippy. Temple, isn't it, Bunny? Lost temple. You're gonna go in it? Go see the bats. Oh, we have to turn around.
Oh. Made me walk for that.
Is there any rocks we should make one? Very tight. What is that? I don't know what it is. I want to know what it is. Wrong way! What are you doing? Oh my god! Come on, you're shivering, buddy. You still want to go in? Beautiful. I don't know what this means, but I only just realised sculpture trail means it's got sculptures on it. I had to take a shortcut. My knee really hurts. Yeah, proof it's raining. This was actually our third campsite of the trip. We went through a lot of them. There we were waiting for some more friends to come because this was like a big camping trip. And then we all went canoeing together down the River Wye. It was really nice despite it raining rather a lot. We saw like 8 kingfishers, so it was great. Look at that.
See the top of the road, it's crazy. You'll be alright, it genuinely is. If I went on.
Oh god, yeah. It's raining again. Great. These boards are quite... So that was my trip to Wales. I really hope you enjoyed it. I definitely did. I hope to see you next time because there will be more. This was a while ago, so I already have another vlog lined up, providing that I edit it, which, you know, could take a while given that this is now May and I started editing this in March. So leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in a bit.